In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default homepage in Salesforce. To get started, head over to Salesforce and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, we'll jump into the setup area where homepages can be created, edited, and assigned. This process is useful if you want users to land on a more helpful or customized homepage the moment they enter Salesforce. From the main Salesforce screen, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. In the menu that appears, select Setup. This will open the administrative area where you can manage page layouts and app experiences. Next, use the quick find box on the left side of Setup. Type in Lightning App Builder, then click Lightning App Builder when it appears in the results. This is the tool Salesforce uses for building and managing custom pages, including home pages. Once you're in Lightning App Builder, you have two choices. If you want to build a brand new home page, click New and then choose Home Page. If you already have a home page and just want to update it, find it in the list and click Edit. Either option will take you into the page editor. Now it's time to customize the home page. You can add useful components such as dashboard charts, reports, tasks, a calendar, recent records, rich text announcements, or custom Lightning components. As you build the page, arrange the components in a way that makes the layout clear and practical for the people who will use it. A well-organized homepage can help users find key information faster and improve their daily workflow. When you're finished with the design, click Save. After that, click Activate. Activation is the part that tells Salesforce where this home page should be used. During activation, Salesforce gives you a few assignment options. If you want this page to be the default home page for everyone in the organization, choose Set as Org Default. If you only want it to appear in certain Salesforce apps, choose Assign to Apps. And if you need more control, choose Assign to Apps and Profiles, which lets you assign different home pages to specific user profiles within selected apps. Finally, go back to the Salesforce homepage and refresh your browser. Once the page reloads, confirm that the new home page appears the way you expected. If everything looks correct, then your default homepage has been successfully set in Salesforce.